if a listener wants to build a model using quantum algorithms or methodologies, what tools are practitioners using? So Jonathan is familiar with Qiskit, Qiskit, and he's seen a few projects on Kaggle using it for model pipelines. But are there more machine learning specific tools out there for people interested in quantum computing?
Yeah, cool. This is such a nice question, and in fact, all of them have been. So thanks everybody for the questions. And um, indeed, there are quantum machine learning pipelines. The ones that immediately come to mind and are my favorites is Penny Lane. So Penny Lane is a package released by the company that I mentioned earlier in Toronto, Xanadu, specifically structured for quantum machine learning. And I think it is super nice, really well documented, really easy to use, a lot of tutorials. And they also like do this wonderful thing where they kind of take interesting new research that's published in the field of quantum machine learning and then add code to it. They add like a whole Penny Lane like walkthrough. So pennylane.ai, I think, is the website to go to, and it's really, really cool. It's really great for quantum machine learning. They even have a whole explainer walking you through what it means to do quantum machine learning, to encode data, how you can consider encoding it, how you can get labels out, how you can do certain machine learning pipelines and so on with a quantum computer. And you can also very naturally use their package to plug into actual quantum computers as well. So you can plug into actual devices. So this is a super nice one. Google also, so I should probably say Qiskit is IBM's open source framework, right? So, but Google also have one, and theirs is called TensorFlow Quantum. So if you are familiar with TensorFlow, then you'll pick up TensorFlow Quantum like that, and they also have some really nice documentation, some explainers, and I think that their machine learning stuff is really nice, and they also have another quantum computing sort of framework called Cirq, CIRQ. So Cirq is also great, and these two things, TensorFlow Quantum and Cirq, go nicely hand in hand. So yeah, so I think these are some of them. There are some ad hoc other things, but I think if I were to start personally, I would start with Penny Lane, and then if Penny Lane is um, not giving me what I want, I would then go and look at Qiskit and TensorFlow Quantum and so on.